Time to take up golf, I think. Live Doppler 2X tonight. We're looking at dry weather across western Ohio, eastern Indiana, and it's going to be beautiful for the next several days. Our average temperature looking back at the month of August, 71 degrees. That's 1.3 degrees below average. 2 inches of rain for the month, and that was an inch and a half below average. Our warmest temperature in August, 90 degrees on the 16th, down to 46 back on the 31st. And tonight we're looking at a forecast into the month of September, long-range outlook for temperatures above normal in these areas where you're seeing some of the red, and then just generally equal chances for above or below normal temperatures across the Ohio Valley and the Great Lakes. And also it's the same situation for precipitation for us, with that expected to be close to seasonal averages. 72 the high, off to a cool start for the month of September after a morning low of 45 and a high of 72. All those numbers below normal. 98 the record high, 1932, and 44 1967 the record low. We only missed that by a degree. Mansfield did tie their record low this morning, dropping down to 43. And clear skies tonight, 57 the current reading, with a northeast wind at 6 and a 72% relative humidity. Very comfortable out there. Our weather checkers tonight, mid and upper 50s over the northern part of the Miami Valley. Betty Shappy just back from a trip out west to Vegas, and I hope she won some money. 59 degrees there in Versailles, 57 in Greenville reported as well, and then up towards Bradford tonight, looking at a 57-degree rating. Heading on south here, we can see we have temperatures around Trotwood, Pat Lecan there at 61 degrees tonight. But you get away from the city, once again, you're seeing those temperatures into the 50s. Bill Telsrow and Xenia, a 57-degree reading. And over in the Eaton area, Jonathan Marker tonight at 55. So already dropping, low 50s in the northern part of the state, down to 54 in Lima, Mansfield 54. So those areas will be into the 40s come tomorrow morning. And a new tropical storm is formed this evening, and that is Tropical Storm Erica, moving west-northwest at 7. Top winds now at 58 miles an hour. It looks like it'll slide just to the north of Puerto Rico, but you can see the track of this heading back to the west. The only problem is this unseasonably cool air mass along the east coast. Well, that's keeping a fairly strong jet stream along the eastern part of the country, so chances are we're not going to see that storm strengthen a whole lot as it approaches the United States towards the weekend, but we'll still keep a close eye on it. Tonight we have high pressure up through the state of Michigan, extending southward across Indiana and Ohio, and that will just basically control our weather. A little weak disturbance to the south of us will spread some clouds up towards Cincinnati. A few of those may encroach across the southwestern part of Ohio, but otherwise we're looking at some nice weather again tomorrow. Temperature-wise, it looks like those readings in the afternoon should climb back up into the 70s for us tomorrow, even a little bit warmer than the readings we saw today, up to about 76 or so. Our forecast tonight, another cool one on the way, 47 the overnight low, not quite as cool as last night, but only by a couple of degrees warmer. And then tomorrow, a sunny day, a pleasant day with light east-northeast winds at about 5 to 12 miles an hour. Your hour-by-hour forecast, 50 at 8 o'clock, 63 at 10 a.m., up to 70 at noon, and then those readings up to 74 at 2 o'clock, 76 at 4 p.m. And you can keep track of the temperatures. It warms up through the morning and into the afternoon tomorrow at WDTN.com. And there's your 7-day planner. 78 on Thursday, 79 on Friday. There's that slow warm-up. Still pleasant readings at night, dropping into the 50s, up around 80 for the Labor Day weekend, with only slight chances of rain into early next week.